This is exactly how I myself was able to fix the server connection timed out on my PS5. So firstly, I went into settings here on my PS5, as you can see. Then I clicked on network, and then I clicked on settings here. And then I clicked on set up internet connection. And then in here where it says the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, just click on this button right here on your controller, and then click on advanced settings right here. So then scroll down and click on manual. It's going to say DNS settings. So for me, before it said automatic, but you have to change it to manual instead. Then the primary DNS, change it to 1.1.1.1, and the secondary DNS, just change it to 1.0.0.1. And then click on OK in the bottom right corner. And just wait for this right here to reestablish your connection. Sometimes this actually fixes it completely for you, so this problem. And then what you can do instead is to also go back and click on this button here once again, and then click on Wi-Fi frequency here. If you have it set to, for example, 2.4, you can change it to 5 instead, or vice versa. If you were set to 5 before, try to change it to 2.4 and see if that can also fix this problem for you as well.